You built an HTML form. It just sits there. Today, we make it come alive with JavaScript. Step 1 before you code anything. Test that your script file is even connected. Type alert connected inside your .js file. Refresh the page. If you see the pop-up, you're wired in. If you don't, fix the script tag first. Never skip this. Here's what we're building. A temperature converter. User types a number, ticks a box, hits convert. Boom. Celsius or Fahrenheit. One form, 4 pieces of JavaScript. First piece. How does JavaScript find your text box? By its ID. Document.getElementById, and you pass the ID you set in the HTML. That's it. There are other ways: getElementsByName, getElementsByClassName, query selector, but 90% of the time you just need getElementById. Second piece. Store what you find. That's what variables are for. 3 keywords. Let for something that changes. Const for something that never changes. Var is the old way. Use let and const. Third piece. JavaScript is dynamically typed. You don't declare the type. It figures it out. Grab the button. JavaScript calls it an object. Grab the value of the text box. That's a string. Not sure what you've got? Use typeof. It tells you. Fourth piece. The button is dead until you give it a job. Add an event listener. On click, run this function. Everything that happens after the user clicks lives inside those curly braces. This is where your logic goes. Now inside the click. Grab the temperature the user typed. Grab whether Celsius is checked. Text box values always arrive as strings. The checkbox gives you true or false. That's your input. Here's the trap that kills beginners. In JavaScript, 1 plus 1 is 2. But quote 1 quote plus 1 is 11. The plus sign glues strings together. So before you do math, convert the string to a number. Parse float for decimals. Parseint for whole numbers. Miss this and your calculator prints garbage. Now the logic. Celsius or Fahrenheit. 2 formulas, 1 line. The ternary operator. Question mark. If true, colon, if false. If the box is checked, subtract 32 and divide by 1.8. Otherwise, multiply by 1.8 and add 32. 1 line replaces a whole if-else block. Last piece. Show the user the answer. Template literals. Backticks around your string. $, curly braces around any variable. The value 32 converts to 0. Clean. Readable, done. That's the whole loop. Find it, store it, convert it, decide, show it. Every JavaScript app you'll ever build is a bigger version of this. If this made JavaScript click for you, smash that like button, drop the word converted in the comments so I know you made it to the end, and subscribe. Next tutorial, we're wiring a full login form. See you there.